It's a mountain of shit. Piled on, after pylon, after pylon, after pylon. Each waking day, a new fury. Each hour, another scream. And I'm poised to react, to be repulsed, to wait in the subject. What will I be required to hate today? As it stands, I'm running hot with rage, yet I can't really remember my motive. Do I really care, or do I just enjoy the fight? This pixelated bloodlust. I long to get another voice on top of that stinking heap, to shout the loudest for a short time, to plant my flaming fucking flag. As I burn with jealousy over the best repartee, so quick to fire, and I'm boiling, I'm livid, Olympian anger. And as the adoration builds, my wit remains unloved. I took too long. Grammatical mistakes makes no fucking sense. So I delete and start again. We're drowning in a sea of mass middle-class laughter. An avalanche of twee self-congratulation for the nation. All sides falling, all sides failing.